Hello boys and girls, welcome back. Look who's here with me, Monkey. He wants to have a look at a new sound too. Say hello, hello. Before we have a look at the new sound, which is my favorite sound, we're going to go over the sounds we already know, okay? Okay? But you have to sit very quietly, yes? Okay. Sit nice and quiet over here. Let's start. D, 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 d. Ah, ah. T, 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 t. A, A, A. E, 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 E. B, 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 B. A, 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 A. G, 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 G. S, S. P, 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 P. Bite your lip. Oh, oh, oh. Remember the orange in your mouth? Oh, oh, oh. E, 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 E. It's the same. Your tongue up. Very good. Okay, let's have a look at the new sound, which is my favorite one. It's my favorite sound. Look at the big one and look at the small one. Look at the action and listen to the sound. J, 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 J. Why is it my favorite one? J, 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 J. Jennie, it's my sound. Yes, it is. What else starts with the J, 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 J? Look at the jelly, jelly, jam, jam, J, 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 J. Let's all sing together. Let's go. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J, 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 J. Very good, beautiful singing. Let's have a look at how we write it. It's an easy one to write. Magic fingers, everybody. Very important, we start on this dot, on this one. Down, around, and a dot. Down, around, and a dot. Beautiful. Everybody, down, around, and a dot. Perfect. Okay. Let's have a look. How many sounds are here? Let's read a couple of words with the J in it. How many sounds are here? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. How do we read 3 sounds on our arm? Let's go. J. What's up at the top? J, number 1. What's in the middle? E. And the last sound? T. Okay, let's go together. J. E. T. J. E. T. J. E. T. J. E. T. Jet. 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 Fantastic. Let's have a look at another one. Let's have a look at another one. We're going to rub out all these marks on here. Rub it out, rub it out. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Hello. Remember we learned something new this week. we learned how to read how many sounds? 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. Yes, we did. Let's go. Now, on our heads. How do we read 4 sounds? On our heads. Let's start. Look. J. A. M. P. J. A. M. P. J. A. M. P. J. A. M. P. Jump. 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 We can all jump. Yes, we can. Well done. Beautiful reading. Fantastic. Let's go back and sing our song just one more time before we go. Everybody together. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ch, 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 ch. Fantastic. Okay, come here, monkey. Say goodbye to everybody. We have to go now. We have to go. Bye, bye, boys and girls. Beautiful singing. And I hope you like my favorite sound too. J, 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 j. Bye, bye. Bye, bye.